Hello, 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 beautiful people. Hello, all the winning streets out there watching us. Today is the big day. You get to hear the real winning street live and catch up with all those questions you have in your head and heart. This is Pri from DMBM, and our endeavor is to get experts from various fields and have a conversation with them to understand what is their secret exactly to happiness, to a healthy living, and to be a winning streak. So here today our guest will be Tanushri Chakrabarti from none other than Winning Streak itself. And let me, before she gives us a request to join in, give you a short introduction about this lovely lady who's a guest on Do More Be More today. By the way, friends, we have loads and loads of questions for Tanushri today, and in case anything is striking your mind, please feel free to mention in the comments. We will try and pick up your queries. We will try and seek answers from people who have greatness in their life. Let learning prevail. All right. Hi Ritu and hi everybody, the lovely people who are joining us. Hello Meena. Always a pleasure to see you here. I wish I could wave to each one of you. Mwah. So today our guest is someone who has her voice as sweet as a rasgulla, whose complexion is just like a chocolate sandesh, and her heart is as vast as an ocean. Hi Ragunita. I'm sure Meena, Ragunita, and all those winning streets here would agree why I call Tanu as someone with a heart as vast as ocean, and that is because of her, encouraging people without any motive. She gets all the kick from empowering other people, and I think that's beautiful, because in today's big bag world, if you are a true encourager and you are supporting the other person, that calls for a bingo. Okay, so any moment now Tanushri from Kolkata would be joining us. We have many questions which we have gathered from all the followers and all the members of Do More Be More. Please stay tuned. It is our promise that at least till the lockdown is there, we will try and call people who are expert in different fields, and we would connect with them to know their secrets of happiness. Let's now go on to seek the greatness in life and welcome Tanushri from Winning Streak. I'm sure she's going to give us a request any moment now. It is 4:03 and I can see Winning Streak joining. She might just give us a request to join now. Okay, Ragunita says completely agree. Welcome Pooja. Welcome everybody who's watching us. Okay Tanu, I think you are just to give me a small request now. Do you see me, Tanu? Can't send a request. Try baby, try doing it. Thank you Meena. See, I am sure there would be an option coming for request here. Tanu, let me see if I can send a request for you to join. Just 1 minute. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Hi.
and here you did it. A very warm
somehow figured out.
welcome.
Thank
Yep.
you so much for all your love. I
A
love
big
you
thank
too.
you. A big thank you for agreeing to do this, Tanu. It's a pleasure to have you here. You've been inspiring so many, and today all those secrets are going to come out.
Thank you for keeping me at that place. And it's because of your love that I am there where I am today. So it has
Pleasure.
always been leading ladies like you.
Oh, come on, Tanu. It's
Thank you
it's all
again.
about you today. And here, cheers to the winning streak.
Yes, even I
Pleasure,
have
girl.
it ready with me.
I like
Oh,
that.
thank you.
Welcome everybody. Hi, Swati. Okay, so guys, that's my winning streak badge.
Even I'm
And by
wearing
the
it.
you are? Oh yes, I see that. Okay,
Pin it
is
up.
our audio and video clear, guys? Are you able to hear us, everybody? Hey, give us a thumbs up if you can.
Hi, Supriya.
Yes, Tanu.
Hi, Raghunita.
Okay, Tanu. So tell us, please, how is the lockdown treating you?
The lockdown initially was pretty challenging because I hadn't entered into the kitchen since ages. But
Oops.
yeah. But when actually it started, and I started going to the kitchen, I started loving it. So it's all depends upon circumstances, how you utilize those circumstances, in your life. So right now I've been doing all the chores and I've been doing a lot of cooking. Luckily, help me out. So, but yes, the lockdown has given me one opportunity to sit back and think. That is the biggest gift that lockdown has ever gifted me because I have been able to strategize more. I have been able to think more, and I've been able to put up a positive mindset towards things that are running on currently. So if it is
True,
the
true.
news which
Very
is
true.
going on across about, yeah, if it is the news which is like, saying center being telling other cities that, you are going to be the next Spain or Italy or China, I keep that cool in my mind, affirmations in place, stating that yes, I will be positive and nothing negative is going to impact me or my positivity.
Great.
So that is how lockdown is. How is it for you, Priyanka?
Oh
I've seen some
yes, I would
amazing
totally
videos of
agree.
you making.
I totally
I have
agree with
seen a
you.
lot of.
It's like a comma, like those the punctuations we do. So for me, lockdown is like a comma, and it's a breather. Okay, so before we go on
True.
forward, I want to know if the audio of Tanu is totally smooth because I feel there is interruption. Tanu, is there too much Wi-Fi being used at your place? Can we reduce the load so that it is smoother,
Just
please? Yeah. Guys, please tell us if it is going on smooth. I feel her connection is a little bit interrupted. Let's
is
figure
that
out
okay
something.
now?
Yeah, it's better. It's better now. Thank you, Tanu. Thank you.
Okay.
So before we move on, friends, there's so many people with us here and joining us. I would like to give a short introduction about Tanu. Tanu has years and years of experience in the corporate world, and after understanding the MNC culture in the minute details, she started her own venture. Yes, ladies, and everybody watching us, here's to the winning three, who's a founder of a women community called Winning Three. It has integrated more than 3,000 ladies in a short span of time, and her focus is on women empowerment. She wants to give opportunities and developed a connection between the women. Okay, apart from that, she is a writer, she is a blogger with the name Winning Three, and you can please connect with her on Instagram or Facebook. So please, after the end of this whole interview and interaction, if you feel empowered and if you want to really chase your dreams, let's connect. Okay, so Tanu, promoted that you are going to be here last week, and you would be totally surprised that I have zillions of questions which people want to ask you. So I'm not sure how many I'll be able to
Wow.
fit in this one hour, but yes, I would totally try and pick it up in various aspects, in various spheres. Okay, so without giving you
That's
any
really
time, I'm going to
overwhelming. Thank you.
start with the question. So we have Mitali, Tanushree, we have Mitali who wants to know that in these trying times, when the domestic chores are eating up most of our time and having the online classes, how important it is for us to keep up with some hobby or some passion. Please share your views.
It is really important. Yeah, it is really important, Priyanka, to keep up with, a hobby, because a passion or a hobby will actually lead us to where we are today. When we talk about ventures that we have been doing. So since I have been writing well, was I a writer when I an writer when I was working? No, I was not a writer there. I was doing some other job. I was leading a team there. But here, when I'm honing my writing skills, because that was my passion, that was inside. And today I have made a blog out of it. There's a full-fledged blog which is running in. So this is the time. If you want to write a book, write it now, because this is the time that you've got. After this, the mad race is going to be, killing all of us, because once things go outside the lockdown zone and, when lockdown reopens and when everything starts up, I'm sure people are going to rush to, pull up the economy and other things. So there'll be a lot of pressure on all to do things. So
Totally.
a hobby is
Yes,
very
yes.
important, firstly from the entrepreneurial mindset, and secondly also to keep yourselves happy from within. When you are pursuing a hobby, you feel self-loved. You feel that you have loved yourself. That is really important. So Mitali, please, please, please follow your passion. Please do that.
Amazing, amazing. I'm sure Mitali is here with us and she's listening to the answer. Now, Tanu, this should have been the first question, but I put it on hold. There are 12 different people who want to understand that how do you define a winning three? They want to understand that what are the features or the characters that differentiate a woman from a winning woman, and how, wording it differently, how can a lady become a winning three?
For me, Priyanka, to be honest, all the females across the world are winning threes. Everybody. She can be, yes, thank you. She can be a maid also, she can be a house who's doing household chores throughout the day. She can be a maid, she can be a teacher, she can be a homemaker, she can be anybody, but she is a winning three. Why? Because, who brings us to this world? It is our mothers, it is our moms, So when a woman can bear that pain of 2,000 bones breaking in their bodies, which feels like the labor pain I'm talking about, and you give birth, that makes you in itself powerful. Why have our ancient scriptures been worshipping females? And why have we been worshippers of Durga? Because females were the power. It is said in the ancient scriptures that, Shiv, the goddess, Shiv, the god, had all his powers in his goddess, So Shiv ki Shakti was Parvati, Shiv ki Shakti was Sati, and that was the embodiment of Shakti. So that is how all females are winning strees. But yes, to define yourselves, you have to always, live your life to the fullest. You have to live your life on your own terms. You have to follow your dreams. You have to be having that willpower to follow your dreams, that makes a winning spree honed and focused on what she wants out of her life.
Lovely, lovely, amazing. Okay, so Tanu, we know that you shifted your base from Delhi to Calcutta, right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I presume that the life in Kolkata is very different from New Delhi. So my question is, are the qualities that are required in a lady are to be a winning person, are they same irrespective of the state, irrespective of the country, or we really need to have a different attitude depending upon the pulse of a place? I hope I was able to put across my
Yeah.
question.
Yeah. See, Priyanka, you're right. We have to always think about the place also before doing a lot of like I have been doing a lot of events here, but the pulse of this place is different from what the mindset of Delhiites are. So in but yes, winning women will be winning women across. They cannot be tied to one particular zone. you know it will always be there. They will always win, irrespective of the place that they are from. But yes, when you're trying to work at a particular place, for example in business, or when we are working with different customers or clients. So, for example, when I was working in an MNC, I had clientele across US, I had clientele across UK, I had clientele across Germany. So, when we used to treat the German clients, we used to handle them in a different way. Yeah. Similarly, when we used to treat or handle the US clients, that was in a different way. So US clients are more, they're not that finicky about things. They are easygoing at many places. But then Germans are very particular and skeptical about all the deliverables. It has to be according to them. So now, being a woman, I understood that which particular place has its own nerve, and I caught on that right nerve and I delivered. So when we as women are working across places, we have to understand what, or how that place is, and then probably tone ourselves, to get going with that particular work. But
Correct.
yes, winning women will always be winning women, irrespective of the zone or the area. Thanks.
Wonderful. Hi, Shruti. Hi, Tithi. Welcome to everybody who's joining us right now. So, just to give you a brief, we are talking that Tanu is telling us that the core of being a winning three remains same. It remains very basic. However, you need to do a little fine tuning according to who you are dealing with and where you are surrounded. Am I right, Tanu?
Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely.
Shifting a bit from winning three to you. Can you tell us three words that describe you?
3 words? That's tough. Probably
Let's
my
hear it
smile,
from,
ever smiling,
from the writer.
smiling,
Smiling, I agree, I vouch that.
yeah, loving, loving,
Yeah.
and what else? Probably pretty.
Oh, how sweet. I like that. I'm already seeing the roots in self-love.
Yeah, that's the key.
Those
That's
were
the
beautiful
key.
words, but I would like to add something here. I was
Please do.
mentioning before you gave us a request to join, I was telling people that trust me, it's a big bag world out there. And in the world which is filled with critics and with mean people, to find someone genuinely generous, to find someone who is encouraging other people, as they say, to be an encourager is brilliant.
Hmm.
I would really use the word encourager for you, someone who's generous, and I really mean it, and someone who is far-sighted. Because what my understanding is, ever since I have known you, how you started like a seedling and how you're growing, you really need a vision mission for that. And I would
Yeah, you're right.
surely say that we need to have a vision. आज से 5 साल में मुझे कहाँ होना है? Where do I see myself after 2 years? So, developing on this only, can we really now start talking about the fact that we get a lot of negative emotions from people, and there is jealousy and there is hatred. So, how important do you feel is self-love for a woman? Can we discuss? Can we develop on that?
Yeah, actually, Priyanka, women are known to love others first. They ignore their health, they ignore their feelings, they ignore their desires, and they lead on a life where, the love of the family member matters more. So for
Agree.
a female, yeah, for a female who is a homemaker, her home matters to her more. She will end up decking her up home. She will do things that will please her husband or probably her children. She will take care of them. But at the end, she forgets herself. I have had multiple of such female friends who have ignored their health conditions. which have got aggravated to a particular level, and now they are kind of feeling that we should have actually thought about ourselves rather than putting in all that time and effort into other things, because at one point of time your children will grow up. They will go out, for the leading their own lives, and your husband is always the husband will be busy in his own work and other things. But what happens with that female is she has been giving, but at the end, when she is at the receiving end and she finds that there is nothing left there for herself. So self-love is very important, because that gives you a motivation to go ahead. Pamper yourself, that's very important. Pamper yourself, love yourself. As I call it, fly. You know what fly is? First, love yourself.
Oh, wow. Fly is
Yeah.
first love.
So that's, yes.
I would write that.
So, so just fly, guys. Fly with your wings high, 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 and higher.
So I guess when you say
self-love is very crucial.
I think when you say self-love, it not necessarily means that you are kind of it's not really to be considered pride, in the sense of pride. I think it is more of acceptance of what you are. Am I right?
It is a necessity, actually. More than pride or acceptance, it is a necessity. You need to love yourself first, because if you love yourself, that's when you have that positive outlook and the positive mindset to love others. Otherwise, you'll become that sulking person who will sulk on doing things and crib that, okay, I have to do this, I have to do that, I have to do this. Where is that love then? But if you love yourself, you will keep blessing others, that, oh, I feel that this is a blessing right now, that I am doing this job for my family. Why? Because I love myself. I have that positive outlook in me, which gives me that to see and appreciate things as they are.
Correct.
Yeah.
Totally.
So it is absolutely a necessity.
Beautiful. That's such a lovely thing that you've told us. I think we need to remind ourselves again and again. We might have read about it. We might have been doing that a few months back. But when the times become trying, when the times are challenging, you need to repeat that, and you need to really hear it from people who are positive and who are a powerhouse of optimism like Tanu. Tanu, minutes before we started this interview, Vasudha gave in a question, and it is quite related. I would like to mention. Vasudha said that what would you suggest for women like her who are not able to finish the domestic task by even 3 p.m., who are able to take a bath by 4 p.m. And in such situations, sometimes anger is natural. Gussa aa jata hai. There is frustration. So, what do we do with this anger and frustration? What would you suggest? Do we express? Do we suppress? Or should we blame ourselves for feeling like that?
No, actually, blame game is, it will not help. A blame game will never help. It will lead to fights. Fight with your spouse, fight with your children, or, probably if you have in-laws, with your in-laws. So blame game never works. But if the person who you've been talking about, if she's not been able to complete her chores on time, then probably she has to understand where she's going wrong. Probably she's not waking up early. If she can devote 2-3 hours in the morning and finish everything, she has to manage her time better. So time scheduling, a lot of technical things then come in. So the first thing goes in, which is time management. So she has to understand where she is losing out on time, and how she can process it in a better way, so as to her time and her schedule is fixed. Maybe she can put up a wall clock, and she can check on every time she's doing a chore, that how much time she's taking to build on that. And at the end, if she is doing 10 chores every day, who has asked her to do 10 chores every day? Why is it even necessary? Yeah. Jhadu pocha har roz mat karo. You are not an expert. You can do the jhadu pocha one day, you can do jhadu one day, and probably the next day you can do jhadu and pocha. Don't push yourselves to become, that person who you actually are not. If doing nothing gives you pleasure, then do that for a day. Just relax. And of course, the third thing which comes in place is the spouse's support. So if you have a spouse or if you have in-laws at your house, how are they supporting you? With the accomplishments of the chores, that also makes a lot of difference. So she has to work out on those things. She has to go and take help from her spouse, approach him, or her in-laws, and ask them for little helps which is possible from their end to be done. So probably that helps. And at the end, if she's not able to manage, don't blame yourself for this. If 4 बजे आप free हो रहे हो, तो उस समय बैठ के watch a movie, है ना? Watch a movie or do some unwind, listen to some music, or go for a walk in your terrace. If you have a terrace, go for a walk there. Garden, do some gardening. Do some watering to the plants. All of this gives us good vibes. It gives us positivity inside. Read a book. If that is the time when I also read a book. 4 o'clock, I lie down and I start reading a book. So, So that is there.
Simple solutions, such down to earth things you've mentioned, Tanu. I think they're so doable, and we are actually connecting with it. We can identify ourselves with it. So, hi Priyamada, thank you so much for being there. Shruti, Meenu, Tanu just mentioned that how you should not be harsh on yourself. Don't be so harsh on yourself. Do a little time management, make it a little systematic. And another point that she mentioned was take help. Taking help from the people in your family, people who are around, asking for help, or delegating certain tasks, even to a 4 years old, it will only make him happy and feel you less burdened. So please, at the end of it, don't blame yourself. Don't be harsh. You are kind to others. You can be kind to yourself. All right, Tanu. With this, we are not going to leave you. This is 4 o'clock, your unwinding time, and the rapid fire is there for you. Are you ready?
Yeah, shoot it.
Ready or not, here I come. Okay, so a coffee for you or a fresh juice?
Cheers. Fresh juice.
Fresh juice? Okay. Yeah. 1 hour of sleeping or 1 hour of writing?
1 hour of writing.
I should have guessed that one. Chocolates or jalebis?
Chocolates or?
Jalebis.
Chocolates.
Chocolates?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me reframe that. Let me reframe. Chocolates or rasgulla?
Chocolates again.
Okay. I'm going to catch you in this one. Seafood or dal chawal?
Seafood.
Seafood, yeah?
Seafood. Bengali you. Bengali.
Minutes before you arrived here, I was telling people that we are going to talk to someone who has a voice of a sweet rasgulla, the complexion of a chocolate sandesh, and a heart as vast as an ocean.
Oh, you're so kind.
दिल के लिए कोई मिठाई नहीं मिली.
दिल के लिए गुजिया कर सकते हो. That's my favorite.
गुजिया? चलो जलेबी बोला thankfully.
नहीं, I'm not that complicated.
I know that. Rapid fire hits you again. Is it TV for you or music?
Music.
Another one. Okay, this is a very, very nice one. Hope or happiness?
This is a tricky one, actually.
Yes, very dear to
me. Yeah. I choose, happiness.
And
I choose happiness. Because, when I'm happy, I'll be able to hope for the best. If I'm unhappy, I'll not be able to hope for anything better. I'll keep hoping for the worst. I'll keep thinking about worse things that can happen to me. But if I choose happiness, that I'm happy from within, and that gives me a hope for a better world or for a better me tomorrow.
That's a wonderful outlook, Tanu. I think if we have a joyful heart, then we can automatically think positive and stay hopeful.
Love can win so many things, Love can win over sulking kids, Love can win over so many things. so many people. So love is it which is necessary for us and this world right now. Love and peace.
Now, talking about happiness, Tanu, what is happiness to you?
Happiness is a state of mind, something which keeps you positive, keeps you healthy, keeps you hearty, and where you keep smiling throughout the day. You give out positive vibes to other people. When you meet other people, your smile should be that infectious that it spreads across to other people too. When people see you, they see that cheerful you, and they automatically smile back at you. Instead of a frown or a weird look, they smile back at you. So
So,
that
Tanu,
is
can you tell
happiness
me
for me.
something? What is the role of happiness in making someone successful?
Happiness gives you, see, it's proven already that happiness builds up on your health. A lot of doctors ask us to stop worrying, to stop thinking about things that are not in our control, and to relax, right? So what do they want us to be is they want us to be happy. Why do people want us to exercise? Because exercise releases happy hormones. Exercise releases endorphins, as they call it. What endorphins does is it gives a happy state in you. It builds up some positive gestures and some positive impact on your body. So when happiness builds you on, then I'm sorry, I forgot your question. What was it? Can you repeat that question again?
Yes, a lot of people want to know, Tanu, is
Yeah.
happiness related to my being successful? Are the
Right.
two
So
related?
success. Yeah, so success. Now, when you are hale and hearty, when you are healthy, you can think better. You can think positively, and you can do things in a strategized and in a positive way, which makes you, if you are not well, you'll not be working at all. But if you're well, then you would probably sit down, open your laptop and think of 10 new things that you can implement in your business, or in that powerful presentation that is slotted for you to be presenting, or all the other things that you're doing. So you can think innovatively. So innovation comes from happiness,
Happiness.
creativity comes from happiness, right?
Correct. Mhm.
And these are interrelated. So when you are creative, you're happy. When you do something creative, you become happy automatically, and you feel accomplished because you've done something wonderful. So then success will automatically come. Yes, of course. Happiness will give us success, right? It will.
Hi, Nikhil. Thank you for joining in. Tanu is telling us right now about how she feels that being happy is utmost important. And if you want to be successful, then rather than focusing on the success, first you have to work on your inner happiness. If you are happy, you can strategize the things, you can think creatively, and you can have innovative ideas. And I totally vouch it that if we do it vice versa, if you are not happy, then you are blocked. Your power
True.
to think creatively and find out the solutions will reduce, which will naturally hamper your success. Okay, so we
Absolutely.
have more questions coming in, Tanushree. We are so glad that you're here sharing your life experiences and what you have gathered in getting all the 3,000 ladies together. All right, so we have Pooja who wants to know that many times in life a person feels नहीं यार ये मुझे शादी से पहले ही करना चाहिए. There are women who feel now I have babies and now I cannot follow my dream. There are moments when even men feel that नहीं अब वो उम्र निकल गई है, वो एज निकल गई है when I should be following my ambition. Do you think that there is a connect between chasing your dreams and age? That's the question.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Never, never. Somebody once told me that, since Winnings 3, I started Winnings 3 when, in 2018. And I am what? I am 38 years old now. So should I run away? Should I have started Winnings 3 when I was 18 or 20? आजकल लोग कर रहे हैं. There are people who are doing it. There are people who are young entrepreneurs and they have these startups and brilliant mind blowing stuff that they have been doing. So to those brilliant and young minds, of course, they are doing a commendable job. But for people like me, we have learned a lot with the exposure that we have got in the corporates, in the corporate sector. Whatever we have learned in the corporate sector, we are utilizing that today, along with the passion. So experience comes with time. And there is nothing as hard and fast where people can relate success or relate their entrepreneurial journeys to their age. It's never dependent to the age factor. Whenever you start, give it your 100%. If it is new, give it 200%, but give it that shot, give it a try. And it's not going to be a rosy path. It's not going to be a path where you have only a bed of roses across. It will be thorny too. There'll be thorns that you have to face. There'll be days when you'll feel low. But that's when the self-love helps. And that's when you have to remind yourself that I tried. It's better than doing nothing.
Yes, yes. It's better to have a feeling that you tried rather than having a regret. Shit, यार,
Yeah.
try to किया होता मैंने. I
Yeah.
totally agree, Tanu. Wow, you put it
Yeah.
so beautifully. Okay, we have Bhavna who wants to know. She says, I'll just voice what she's saying. Do you agree that women often run away from where she wants to reach or can reach? Do you think what is the reason for this? Sometimes, we know कि हमें यहाँ पहुँचना है. We know what we are capable of, but somehow we run away from that. What can be the reason for this?
Yeah.
I think that's peculiar to women who are trying to just
Yeah.
be very thoughtful for everybody. What are your
Yeah.
comments?
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. As I told you in the beginning itself, that women are used to love others more than themselves. So they think a lot about others. So, for example, if somebody was doing a job in a particular location and that lady's husband gets transferred, say, to US or probably to some other city, then the lady has to move. There have been multiple occasions where I have seen that the lady sacrifices her career and she goes across with her husband because that is the norm. That is what the society agrees with, and the women has to agree with too. So that is how we have been brought up. That is how our Indian mentality is. That is how our Indian societies are. So it's hardly been like this where I've seen a few bold, very bold females who've taken decisions of their lives on their own terms and they have stayed back, where they were working. Mostly females actually go ahead and, then they again reset their careers there. So when you are again setting up your career at a new place, it can be a new office, it can be a new zone, it can be a new place, whatever it is, but it takes time to grow. People will not know your caliber, people will not know how credible you are until and unless you go and perform yourself or outperform yourself there. So that is why this thing happens with females mostly, and it is a very normal thing that happens in Indian society. But in today's times, I have seen that husbands as well as families are more, what would be the right word? They are more approachable in this area. They are more liberal in this area, and they allow females to work also or to pursue their dreams instead of always obliging to the societal norms. So I met a lady because I keep meeting a lot of females and a lot of people when I go for these winning spree events and all. So I met one of these ladies and she is 54 years old. She's a Bengali. I met her in Calcutta, and her husband is no more. And she was talking about her son who is married and he lives in Mumbai, and her daughter-in-law, she is also married to, of course, her son, and she is living in Delhi. So I asked her, why is this? Why are they living in two different cities? So she told that I ensure that my daughter-in-law first completes her studies and then she goes and lives with my son at his place, because education is a must. So her daughter-in-law had two minds, but she was fixated on it that you have to go and finish your studies first. So
Coming
that
from
was
your example, Tanu, what I feel is, as
yeah.
you mentioned, that with women, a lot of time this dichotomy and this confusion is there between the head and the heart, and we have to do the balancing act. But taking from your example, I feel we should at least give it a try. Sometimes we
Yeah.
just assume कि हस्बैंड नहीं मानेगा या इन लॉज उसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे. बट समटाइम्स इफ यू पुट forth the situation, there is possibility that if you're strong and you're bold, it will be accepted. I think it's
Yeah,
a
if
long
you're
process.
strong, yeah,
आप
yeah,
मान के
you
देखो
have to,
तो सही, बोलो तो सही उस
yeah,
तरीके.
you have to put your foot down at places where you feel that you are right, or take back the logic and understanding of what exactly is in store for you when you go to a new place. For example, when I came to Calcutta, even I had a lot of apprehensions, but my husband told me that, this will be a new locality for you, a new zone to again set up things, new ways to go ahead and venture out there. So you already have Delhi, but you can also have Kolkata now. So isn't that an opportunity?
Wow.
And
Wow.
when he told me this, I really looked at it as an opportunity, and I came here very gladly then. So it's all about the outlook and the mindset at the end.
Yes.
Positivity
Everything
plays a very
is
big role.
positive. So let's
Yeah,
learn from the example. The moment he considered the whole situation not as a challenge but as an opportunity, things started fitting
absolutely.
into place.
Yeah,
So let's
yeah.
learn from Tanushrী's ventures and her examples. I'm moving ahead with the questions. We are left with 20 more minutes. Um, okay, which question should I take up? I think now it's really time to understand that what are the 5 steps that you would like to share with us for a lady to empower herself, for a woman to establish her credibility and to hold on to it whenever they are conducting the business anywhere. What are the 5 factors that the lady can keep in mind for her empowerment?
Females are empowered from within. They do not need anything at all. They need to believe in themselves. So we don't need any 5 steps. There are no, steps here that this is what you can do, this is what you can do, this is what you can do. You have to feel that strength and power in yourself. You have to think that you are powerful and you are able to do things. When you believe in yourself, you'll be able to achieve your goals one by one. And apart from that, apart from the self belief, you are already empowered, so that is there. So never think or question about your empowerment, or think of things like somebody else will come and empower you. You are the power, you are the source of
So, Tanu,
everything.
can we say that it is a mind game?
एब्सोल्युटली इट इज अगर आपको करना है कुछ, आप उन्हीं 4-5 रिसोर्सेज में भी चीजें कर सकते हो, है ना. यू कैन डू थिंग्स विथ माइल्डेस्ट ऑफ रिसोर्सेज दैट इज अवेलेबल, विद द लीस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू हैव विथ यू, है ना. जैसे
Absolutely.
फॉर आई गिव यू अ
Absolutely.
वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल. दाल बनाना है ना.
जी,
तो
जी,
घर में कुछ भी नहीं है, घर में कुछ भी
जी.
नहीं है, बस लहसन है, तो लहसन की चौंक के साथ भी दाल बन सकती है.
हाँ, हाँ.
है ना. I mean, it's a very vague example, but that this is how I mean. What I mean to say is that whatever you have, with that you can do whatever you are. You'll be able to do something out of it. Everybody is born for a reason. Everybody is there in this world for their true calling. So you have to understand what is your true calling and accordingly follow that. If you're following your passion, you cannot go wrong. जिसको डांस आता है वो कभी डांस wrong नहीं करेगा. जिसको गाना बजाना आता है वो कभी गाना रॉन्ग नहीं करेगा. People who have a good fashion sense, they will always be fashionistas. They will never go wrong there. Yes, the main important thing along with all of this belief and everything, is to upgrade yourselves. You have to keep upgrading.
Tanu, with such a small example, with such a simple example of dal, what you are teaching us is to stop cribbing about the resources, to stop cribbing
Yeah,
about what is not there, and just do the
yeah,
best with whatever you have, wherever you are.
absolutely.
Just start from there.
Yeah, yeah. And
Amazing.
upgrade your knowledge. Upgrade your knowledge.
Okay, Tanu, the next question is share your special message of inspiration on happiness for us. Your special
On
message to
happiness?
inspire us for happiness. You said that it's in the mind, you said it is there within. So
Yeah.
elaborate on what would be, because the need of the hour is happiness. We're all stressed out and there is a black box and we don't know how things are going to improve. So what is your
Yeah.
inspiring message on happiness?
For me, the most inspiring message across this lockdown has been only one, which is if you cannot go outside, if you cannot change the outside world, change yourself, look inside.
Look within.
Yeah. So that is how, things will keep happening. Things will go wrong. It's not, it's nothing like things will always be correct, for us
It's not a
and for
cakewalk.
the
It's not a
entire world. Yeah, it's like for us or for the entire world at this point of time, the times are very trying. These are the darkest of times, which we are facing world over. But for people who have gone through this already, for example, army people, they keep going through such times, throughout their lives. For people who've met with some kind of a mishap, like, wherever we have these earthquakes, so there are a lot of loss of lives which happen. हमारे यहाँ नहीं हुआ तो हमें लगता है हम तो बच गए, बाकी जगहों पे हो गया. बट आज की डेट में हर जगह पे यही कोरोना छाया हुआ है, एंड इट्स लाइक अ वेरी tough time which is going on. But we cannot change the outlook of other people. We cannot change the way other people are speaking about it. We cannot change the facts and figures. What we can change is ourselves and our outlooks. If we are positive, probably our positivity will infect others, and they'll also become positive minded. So if people are brooding over negativity, move out from that zone, come, become that resilient self, build up that resilience, and come out strong with a
amazing.
lot of happiness inside.
बिल्कुल सही तनु. आई थिंक आई ऑल्सो रियलाइज इट द हार्ड वे कि आप दूसरों को बदल नहीं सकते, एंड वी शुड नॉट रियली स्पेंड टाइम ऑन
Absolutely.
चेंजिंग अदर्स. उतनी मेहनत
Yeah.
अगर इफ वी डू आर गेटिंग अ बेटर वर्जन ऑफ आवर ओन सेल्फ, आई थिंक इट्स टोटली वर्थ इट. Okay, let's
Absolutely,
talk about
Priyanka.
winning three, winning three, how it happened, and इसका बीज कहाँ से आया. Would you like to share who was the first winning three who joined your hand? Do you remember?
Okay.
Would
Yeah,
you
yeah,
like to
absolutely.
please?
I will tell you, the first Winnings 3 along with me was my co-founder at that
Okay.
point of time. Her name was Megha Patni.
अच्छा.
So, we both had initiated Winnings 3 together. She had also been a
Okay.
writer. She had also been from media, and she was also a housewife. And, we both had our own challenges in our
Where
lives.
did you meet her?
And
Where did you find her?
we actually never met. It was all online. Yeah. We did not meet at all, but we became friends because we were moderating one particular community on Facebook together. So we had been given an opportunity by a community to moderate that community. So that's how we, learned a lot from that community, and we became very good friends. तो ऐसे शाम की चाय पे we used to distribute activities कि ये कल तुम करोगे, ये हम करेंगे. So that made me learn a lot about how community builds up and how communities work, and so on and so forth. And Winnings 3 happened because I had that keenness in me to spread a lot of positivity and a lot of positive stories across for womanhood. Why? Because I myself had been a loser at the first go in office or at other places to emerge as a winner. It had
Really?
to be there. Yes, there
Really?
has been a story. Yes, there has been a story. There are times when I had also met the losing ends. I have also had a. It's like it's a normal thing. You can lose and then you win, so it's normal. So when I had a time in office when I was in peak, but then suddenly that business went away. The client decided that that business had to go. So when they decided that the business had to go, and I was at no ends, I had to manage this and that project, or I had to be on bench, and that's when I decided that I'll look out for a job. But I also went the family way. So when I went the family way, I also had a baby to take care of, and then for me, working in Gurgaon or other far off locations, being in Noida or Indirapuram was not possible. So I decided that, I will not run after jobs now, jobs will run after me. And that's how I left everything, and I started
I
with my
like that.
passion of
The
writing.
jobs to run after me. Bingo. Okay, Tanu,
Yeah.
कौन कौन से क्षेत्र से वुमेन आपके साथ इसमें जुड़ी है? What all spheres of life are the ladies attached in Winnings 3? We have five
Many,
more
many
minutes. There's so
females.
much we want to know from you.
many women, I think you are there with us, and you're from the restaurants thing. So, you're from the food industry. Then we have people from fashion industry. We have people from architectural backgrounds. We have, people who are into interiors. We have mental wellness coaches. We have life skill coaches, and we have astrologers, so many women across. We have homemakers, we have working women, we have some people who are into the recruitment, who keep on posting about job, positions across
Awesome.
for women who want to, who want to
It's a
work.
big family, big happy family.
It's a big family. It's a very positive and a very happy family, and we are spread across cities like Delhi NCR. We are spread across cities like Kolkata, Indore. We have presence in Mumbai, and these are key cities where we are
It's still
present.
growing strong, still growing strong.
Yeah. Hopefully, yes, it is, and with the blessing of people
Join
like
us
you,
and
yes.
be a woman with a winning three. I want Tanu to share with everybody who's watching us live that how this family, just like your family at home, is so strong. I remember I attended one of the meets with you, Tanu, and one of the members, she lost her life. She expired. So will you share with us, please, that how that painful moment was, it made all of us come together, and how it really proved that we are together a strong family. Will you
Yeah,
share?
actually, it was about Shanjan Raj, and
Member.
she was a very active member of Winnings 3, and we hadn't met because by the time she wanted to meet me, or she came to know about Winnings 3, I had actually left for Kolkata, and she was very keen to meet me. So, she used to ping me, and I used to also ping her for things, and she also wanted to come in the May meet. We also had a May meet in Delhi. So in May, she couldn't come for some reason because of her ill health only. And then she made it eventually in the August meet. And we never knew that, it would be her last meet. And it was really special because, she made it. Why? And she told me that I had actually committed to you that I will meet you, and that is the reason why I'm here. So I really felt touched. I really felt good about this thing, that she had committed, and she was so much into this from her heart, that she felt that she had to meet the Winnings 3, and that too before going away from this world. And when the thing happened, the entire community together, we all came across, and we mourned her loss. And people who were in Delhi, they actually went also. And they, during her cremation and all, they were there. They were there during her last rites. So it was a very touching moment at that point of time. Later on, I was not there in Delhi, so I couldn't go, but people were calling me and giving me updates of how it was. And I also touched base with her husband recently, and I inquired about her little son, who was only 6 years old when this happened. And her husband mentioned that everything is going fine, and I can message him whenever I need to know about anything at all for their son, because the number of Shanjan will always be active. So yeah, so that is how she lives on. She might not be here, but she lives on in our hearts
She's
forever,
a
and
winning.
she'll be there forever.
Yes.
She
So
is
all
actually a winning
all
streak.
those lovely people who are listening to us and watching us. Winnings 3 is not just a community, it is a support, it is an emotional strength that you get. Tanushri is leading us, and she is not just generating business opportunities for us, but she is also like a sutradhar. We all are pearls, and she's like a string, and we are all together. Please join her on her Insta page. Please join her on our Facebook. Anything you would like to know, you could ping me, you could ask her. Let's be together in this, and let's grow together. Tanu, it has been amazing, it has been enriching, and it's been so beautiful to hear from you. All your answers have been, I know,
Thank you
right
so
from the.
much.
Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. Let's meet
Thank
again.
you so
And
much.
sure
Yeah.
people
Let's
would.
meet soon.
Yes, yes. Stay safe,
Yeah.
stay home.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye, Priyanka.
Bye.
Thank you for this opportunity. Bye bye.
Cheers. Cheers to winning three.
Bye.